families, our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri V. Muralidharan.
Sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleagues, Dr. Harshvardhan ji, Sri Kiran Rijiju ji, Sri Prahlad Singh Patel ji, Sri Rajkumar Singh ji, Sri Ashwini Kumar Chobe ji, Sri Anurag Singh Thakur ji, and Sri Arjun Ram Megwal ji, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 6 and item number 2, respectively, in today's revised list of business.
Report of the Committee on Subordinate Registration, Sri Pratap Singh Bajwa.
Sir, I rise to present 244th report in Hindi and English of the Committee on Subordinate Registration.
Reports of the Department-led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources, Sri Arun Singh.
Is to lay on the table the 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th reports of the Standing Committee of Water Resources 2020-21 as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Reports of the Public Accounts Committee, Sri Bhupendra Yadav.
Sir, I rise to lay 7 reports of Public Accounts Committee as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Statement by Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, Lok Sabha.
Respected Sir, I rise to lay the statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 329th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment, Forests and Climate Change on detailed demands for grants 2021 pertaining to Department of Science and Technology in pursuance of the direction of the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha dated 24th September 2004 under Rule 266 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States. The status is as per the annexure which is laid on the table of the House.
Honorable members, I have to inform that a supplementary list of business has been issued by Secretary today regarding a suo motu statement to be made by the Honorable Home Minister at 11:30 a.m. concerning an avalanche in Chamori district of Uttarakhand. The supplementary list has been uploaded on the Rajya Sabha website and members login portal. The statement to be made will also be uploaded on the members login portal as soon as it is taken up in the House. Members to be raised with the permission of the Chair. 0 hours, Sri Mahesh Poddar.
सर whatever happened yesterday जो कुछ
थैंक यू चेयरमैन सर देश में इंटरनेट की सुलभता के साथ
प्रहलाद जोशी है गिवन 1 मिनट
सर जो कुछ भी कल हुआ शुरुआत सदन के शुरुआत में वो बहुत निंदनीय है और वी हैव गॉट ऑल रिस्पेक्ट एंड रिगार्ड्स अबाउट यू एंड स्पेशली फॉर द चेयर एंड एज ए पर्सन ऑल्सो हैव गॉट लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट एंड रिगार्ड्स फॉर यू whatever has happened is unacceptable. Throwing aspersion of chair is not at all accepted. ये बहुत निंदनीय है। मैं विजय साई रेड्डी से आग्रह करता हूँ कृपया वो क्षमा प्रार्थना करें और हमने अपने तरफ से भी मैं क्षमा प्रार्थना करती हूँ।
ठीक है। These things are not made out of request. Leave it.
From Lok Sabha sir, my intention was never and will be I never intended to bring any disrepute or make the chair dysfunctional, sir. I am no one to make the chairman of Rajya Sabha dysfunctional. Yesterday episode was because I was in a state of anguish and therefore wish to take back my words. I sincerely regret my comments made yesterday. They were unintended and made on the spur of anguish. I had become emotional and assure you, sir, I had no intention to hurt the chair or cast aspirations on the chair. I therefore regret once again and I'll assure you, sir, it will not be repeated once again. Thank you very much.
Leave it. Sri, issue is closed. Sri